Hey everyone, this is not that difficult to do. I'm in 4K, doesn't matter what I'm in. Maybe for some it is. So let's go down to 1080p. Let's go to 60 frames. I want to zoom in and I want to bring this up to the maximum, 2.0. Now, on photo, we could do 4.0. We can't do anything higher than 2.0. I want to save this in my custom. All I do is hit the custom and confirm, correct? But look over here and tell me why we don't have 2.0 saved when we just saved it. So I'm going to go put my camera back to my settings and I'm going to wait for DJI to answer us why it wasn't saved. And I'm on not the latest firmware, but if I load the latest firmware, it's still not going to make a difference. And that's been that way ever since.